KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
Hey everybody, this is Dan O'Donnell with KeyDigital, and we're going over today our Compass Control Professional demo app. And what's cool about the demo app, when you download it, you have 7 different vertical markets that you can actually experience and see what it'd be like to have KeyDigital's Compass Control Professional in your installation. So today we're going to be showcasing the government demo, and when you launch the app, you'll see that this is the first thing that pops up. You're going to go here and press the government tab. So the specific vertical that we chose within the government category happens to be legal. And in many of these applications, audio, video, and connectivity is becoming more and more important in these applications. So what we've done with our product is make sure it's really, really simple. That way anybody that's in that room can use the system. It's a big target for us to make sure that we communicate simplicity across our platform and give you the best experience possible. And within this setup, you can see you can power on and off the system. You can also go here and you can select between all the different sources. You can control your audio, you can control your video, you can control your sources, you can control your display, and as you can see, you can have almost independent subsystems along one big, larger system. These are just controlling the audio partners that we have, mixers, faders, DSPs, and all that. So as you can see here with our courtroom demo that we have on the Compass Control Professional app, it's really easy to use, lots of different features, integrating audio, video, lighting, shades, thermostat, pretty much anything with an on-off that allows you to control it all from one great app. So for more information, check us out at keydigital.com. You can like this video, share this video, please comment, and we'll see you real soon.